Now what do you think?
I knew what I thought the first time. Y'all not gonna be able to tell me nothing. Alright guys, so this is me in my Icy Park dress. So I actually didn't get this from like the collection itself. I have a friend who was selling it and I was just like, yes girl, I'll buy it. So this is the dress. This is like the whole latex dress, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's really latex. Like I feel like I might sweat in this dress. I'm almost for certain I'm gonna sweat in this dress, but it's so cute and I really like it's tight, but it's like it's also still very comfortable. Like I'm not comfortable in latex, but I guess I'm comfortable in latex. So this is the dress and I'm wearing it with my white Yeezys because I don't have Beyonce shoes. So Adidas gang, we ain't here, gang. But this is my dress. We're just going to Jordan's grandma's house and I'm just gonna have to be that one that's just extra as fuck because she got some Icy Park. So good morning, you guys. It is March 10th. I have not been on the vlog since I don't know when. I'll tell you guys about the series actually. So the series is going to be back to the basics. So I was talking to my mom and I was asking her about, you know, just what her feedback on my videos were. And she was like, you know, I like watching your videos. I just can't do any of the stuff. And I'm like, girl, I done made it so simple. I feel like I've told you very easily where to place your eyeshadow, how to blend your eyeshadow out. This part, that part, this part, that part. And she's like, but I don't know how to do it. So I can try to follow you, but it doesn't come looking out the same. And I was just like, okay, well, I guess I gotta speak slower than for you, huh? She's like, yes. So I was like, okay, you know what? My mom's not the only one who probably feels like this. So I'm gonna do a back to the basics video. And I think I'm gonna do kind of like a quarantine-a-thon that I did last year where I do a new video every day, but this new video will all be in partnership with each other to create a full face. So I have to start filming these videos, but I just haven't started filming them yet. But it's gonna be so exciting because you guys will see it before this video comes out. So that's why I can tell you guys all this stuff now. But it's gonna be so exciting because I feel like I'm going to really take on like that teacher role, because when I tell you, I'm going to tell you about the brushes you should be using, the primers that you should be using for your skin type, how to properly place your eyeshadow, the areas of the eyes in order to place the eyeshadow. So if I say crease and you over here in your corner, what is you doing? And hopefully this will be a template for people just going forward. So that way, you know, if you ever watch my videos and you've never seen this, or if you've never, you know, done makeup and you watch my videos and you really want to do it, but you don't know how to do it, I'm gonna tell you how to do it, sis. So that is the plan for today. I actually put my hair in these not flexi rods. I did them in braids. After I washed my hair, I did them in braids, and then I put the flexi rods on the ends because I don't like how my ends always turn out after I do a braid out. I feel like that's the part that ruins the entire hairstyle. So I put flexi rods in them. I only did 4, and I'm gonna start those videos today. So I'm gonna take it out today and we're gonna see how it looks. And I'm kind of like, if this looks bad, I'm gonna be so mad because I'm gonna have to start all over again with my hair and figure something out. You guys, I was not expecting my braid out / flexi rod to come out the way it did. When I tell you guys the volume is there, I don't know what to do with this hair. So you guys will actually see this hair in the video. It's gonna be a week long, so I'm excited to start editing that. I am done with the makeup look. This is what the makeup look is gonna be. And I wanted to keep it simple, something, you know, not too crazy, not too hard, and something universal for everybody. So that is the makeup look that I did for it. Oh, look, here is my man.
That's how you introduce me?
Who would you like to be? What would you like? Tell me.
You should introduce me like, all right, now coming to the stage.
This is not Players Club. What the fuck is this?
The one and only, the greatest of all time, the motherfucking king of swag.
Why?
The drip god himself.
Why would I say these things?
My man, Jay Wright. That's how you should introduce me next time.
Okay.
Do better. That's the crazy thing. I was thinking about that. I was like, damn, how do you just keep buying away rings? I mean, these motherfuckers, like, I was really thinking about that. I was like, credit. You can get a fat ring from Macy's for like 8 to 10 to 15 something. Nice. But
do you even know what kind of ring I would want?
I'm assuming it's a princess cut. That's the best kind of ring there is.
Princess cuts are like one of the best cuts. Yeah. Y'all just heard him talking about, yeah, I was thinking about rings. Y'all, wait till the day that I got a fucking, oh my gosh, y'all not gonna be able to tell me shit. What do you have?
Well,
Oh, who are you? Hello, who's this? This is my mom. Hey, Mom.
Hi. So my job sent me a box, and there's all these goodies in it. It says that there's 15 different goodies in here. Okay.
He's protecting you.
Okay. Anyway, so it says someone's been thinking about you. We got a blueberry simple wholesome oatmeal bar, crackling cumlet. I don't know what the hell this is. Mango a-go-go.
It's like jamba.
Love corn. Habanero chili. It's probably like a cornet. That might be good.
You gonna
Put
taste
that
it?
on that side. Snickerdoodles. Yeah,
Just
a little
a cookie?
cookie. I'll take that.
Okay, we'll take that.
What's this? Coconut macaron.
You're not gonna eat that.
You know I'm not gonna eat it. Ooh, this right here though. You know what that is?
Wafer cookie?
Yeah, it's like wafer. It has honey in it though.
Ew.
But, this be good with some coffee.
You drink coffee?
No, I don't drink coffee. I didn't even mean to say coffee. I meant tea.
Tea?
Yeah, tea with no sugar though, because that'd be just way too much. Oh, smack. Honey roasted sunflower seeds.
You like sunflower seeds?
Absolutely not. Oh, yes, honey. Oh, they feel broke. It looks good, whatever it is. So it says 100% juice. Apple. Burriti.
Brady
And
and
kakuna.
is that coconut?
I don't know. Oh my God, I never buy nothing like this. I don't subscribe. So real talk, if you want to save money, don't do these boxes and shit. This is such a waste of money. Look, out this whole 15 items, 1, I'm definitely going to eat. 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to put these in my mouth, suck the stuff off, and spit it out. So I'm not even really eating that. So out of all that, this is a total bust. Just like all those subscription boxes that you guys get, whether they're for your dog, whether they're for your makeup.
I feel
whether they're
attacked.
for
Why are you coming for
whatever
me?
it is.
Taste it. All right, so this the Caro, whatever. I don't know.
Ooh, it smells like it's healthy. It's a little smaller than I like.
That's a nice wine glass. I like
Ooh,
that.
look at it's all thick.
Don't pour it all because you know you're not gonna drink it.
Caesar, you want some? It tastes like.
Drinks the whole thing. She clearly like it, y'all. She
I
ain't
don't
stopped
like
drinking it.
It's making my head hurt, actually.
That fast?
Yeah, I feel it. It starts back here.
Mama's so extra.
No, I have a syndrome.
Called extra.
No, it's not called extra. It's called oral allergy syndrome.
You do not have this,
I do.
Mom.
Google it. I got a headache, y'all. You didn't even taste it.
I did. I took it. You was chugging it,
Get
and
a
you
bigger gulp, because
No,
I
I
didn't see.
tasted
I
it.
didn't see. I didn't see. That is.
I purposely got it all on my lips so you could see.
You're supposed to drink it. What kind of baby sips are you taking? Gulp it. Taste it like a grown up.
Well, I want to go for it. I just want to take a little taste. You want me to drink the whole bottle and then drink it all and tell you how it tastes afterwards?
Yeah, I want you to taste it. Taste it.
Okay, this is like my 5th sip now.
Baby sip. I
Mm-hmm.
need to take a hood guzzle. Like you probably drink like you know how to drink. Now what do you think?
I knew what I thought the first
Caesar!
No, it's good. It do taste kind of healthy. Like they didn't put no sugar in here. Maybe this
So
just
nosy.
natural flavors. He's like a nosy.
You were such a black dog.
He be in everything. He be like, "What's that? Look." So what'd you give it, Mom? Out of 10?
2.5.
2.5. You drunk 2 cups almost.
No, I'll never buy it or drink it again.
I wouldn't buy it, but I will give it a. Take one more sip.
See, I told you.
I give it a 5 out of 10. Like it's not bad. Like I could drink this. Like if this all you had in your refrigerator, I'd drink it. I wouldn't go home and buy it though. We're official. Official. Oh wait, is your birth certificate? What is our birth certificate say? Okay, so I was gonna say, wait a minute.
Michelle never reads the fine print, and I always have to read it for her and be like, this is what's going on.
I mean, shit is usually self-explanatory until it's got some other extra ass instructions, and then it's like, oh.
Just like the instructions, like the ones that are right there on the box, like shake it before you, like it'll be some simple shit.
I mean, cause it's like what, like for some fucking rice-a-roni, like,
Yeah.
how hard is it to make rice-a-roni? All right, so I was watching Dear and Ken, and they were talking about this water that they got, and they said it was great. Dear said it was great, and I trust her. So she said the water tasted like a what did she say? Like a lemon pound cake, and I was just like, how water gonna taste like a lemon pound cake? Say hi, Jordan. All right, so it is called Just Water. And Amazon only lets you order a 22 pack, so if you don't like it, you're gonna have to like it. Oh my gosh. So it's box water. That's what it looks like. Probably should get it cold, but it's okay. I just want to taste it real
They
quick.
also talked about the differences of packaging.
Uh-huh.
They try to like give the selling thing was like sustainable packaging, like it's better for the environment with cartons versus aluminum cans. It takes less. Da, 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 da.
This is such a millennial type of thing to put
It's
it in a
definitely a
container like
millennial
this.
type of thing.
But it does say sustainably sourced water in a plant-based carton, so it's made out of
But
plants.
think about this: bottled water was at one time a millennial thing. Like, give me one.
It tastes like water. Here, what taste it? Oh. Caesar, you can have some too. It's water. Yeah.
It definitely don't taste like lemon pound cake. But
It doesn't taste like a lemon pound cake.
It tastes like it literally tastes.
It tastes like
it tastes
fresh lemon
juice.
water.
it
Yeah,
tastes
like they really did make this with lemons and
like just the vapor from the boiling of the rind.
yeah.
Wet up is over.
It's good though.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
It's your birthday.
Oh, they know little Caesar Weezer birthday coming up. Your
Healthy
birthday
B-Day cake
coming up.
recipe.
Yeah, I'm gonna order him a cake. Lamb liver meat toppers. Oh, this is kind of like my little sculpture that I have.
Mm-hmm.
This little latex toy, and it squeaks. Whoa.
Sorry, I
Caesar's
can't
birthday
open
is
it.
April 1st. He's an April Fool's baby, and it has on the back a recipe for a puppy cake, but I'm gonna order him a puppy cake. Oh, wow. They said, no, you will make your own fucking cake. Red velvet beet flavored cake. Oh, birthday boy bandana. Wow, that's so sweet. Says, it's my birthday. Come here. You got a donut? This is bark. I mean, squeak.
Sweet.
Everything freaking squeaks.
ones-
What? These is cheese puffs, microwavable cheese puffs for dogs. It's like
That's
popcorn.
Scoop, there it is. Scoop, there it is.
Shaka laka, shaka laka, shaka laka, shaka
Scoop.
scoop. And then we got some Savage Fenty. We got some Savage Fenty. Cause they just get me every time. And I'll be like, Jordan will like this.
I think I'm more like classy, classic sexy than I am like playful sexy. So this is very playful to me. And it's not saying it's not cute.
I understand.
But like, it's, when I look to get her stuff, I look to get her like sexy black shit. Like, you know, classic shit.
Yeah.
Shit that you might wear out under your dress or something like that. It's cute.
It's cute. It's cute.
That's what it is. It's cute. I'm not saying
Is it sexy or is it just cute?
it's sexy because of how it's made, but like the
When I put it on.
for me, in lingerie, color is a big part of it. I like you in a black number. I like you in.
You like me in purple?
I love you in lavender.
Lavender. I love orange.
I think you look
Disgusting.
really good in the orange. I think you would look good in this. And, you know.
But yeah, that is what I got. That is what Caesar got. We got some waters.
Everybody got something except for me. It's fucked up. It's fucked up, Caesar. What'd I get? Nothing.
You want this?
I guess that's my consolation. As a fucking kiss. Thanks.
So Jordan loves ASMR fan, and she was eating some Shishito peppers the other day, and they looked so good, like so good. So I'm gonna make some of those for us today to eat. Here are the Shishito peppers. Yeah, it just tastes like a pepper. It doesn't taste spicy at all. You gonna try it? It's not spicy. I can see why they have this as an appetizer. It's like appetizer type of. When you cook it, it's like inside's not crunchy. Try it. It's good though. You season it? Like I want it to be spicy like a jalapeno. I like shishito peppers though. Damn it. He's holding on for dear life. What are you doing? What you doing, Devin? Hey, boo boo.
She made you sad. She made you sad. Talk about your parents. She made you sad, huh?
He said, "Where's my mom? You remind me of my mom. Where is she? Where your mommy at? Say hi. Say hi." Oh, that's number one. Jump, 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 jump. Go, 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 Devin. Go, Devin. Jump, 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 jump. Go, Devin. Go, Devin. Jump, jump, jump. You tired? Jump. Hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Say hi, Devin. The vlog never gets to see you. Auntie's vlogs never get to see you because you don't live out here. You don't live out here. Yeah. Oh, you see my kitchen? Or no, not my kitchen. That's my edges. Edges. Yeah. You know what kitchen is?
No.
Kitchen is the back of your head.
Yeah. That's what y'all call it?
Yeah. How the real don't know a kitchen, y'all?
Is this new?
It's not new.
Kitchen.
No, this is like a forever thing. Like old people call it kitchen. Yeah, like the back of your head is your kitchen. This is like Darrell's favorite cookie with all this frosted stuff on it. Yeah, you do. You just asked me if I wanted some. I like these. Yeah, these. I fucks with these.
But we gotta look at the date. Because the trick is, they always put the good ones on the bottom.
So do you want those?
See, look, 5/8, 5/17. You see?
Yeah. So do you want those?
Yeah, I'll probably get one. I shouldn't even get this, but
You don't need them, but I'll eat one.
You want some cupcakes?
No, we're gonna just get that. Come on, let's go. Okay, so if you're from Oakland, you know exactly where this beauty supply is. You know what they got, you know that we down here, downtown Oakland. I'm gonna show you guys when I get home. I did not need to spend as much money as I just spent up in that store. Oh my gosh. Woo. Now I gotta go home and do my hair, but I have a lot of stuff that I'm excited to show you guys, so I will see you guys when I get home. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so sorry. I just have not been like, you know, really I haven't really been doing much in March, but I haven't been vlogging a lot of the stuff either. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this month's vlog. If you guys haven't, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do post every Tuesday and Friday, but if you can't remember that, it is all good, sis. Just hit that notification bell and you'll be notified every time I do post a video. And make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I will link all of those down below so that way you guys can easily click and follow. If you guys want more fashion videos or more makeup or more hair or more couples videos, let me know what you guys want to see and I will make sure to get those out for you guys. But again, I thank you guys so much for watching this video and I will see you guys in the next one.